Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Welcome to everybody that's been watching my channel. Thank you so much. And the ones that have been subscribing to my channel, thank you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. We do all kinds of crazy stuff. Right now we are working on our home. We're fixing this fixer-upper house up, this complete home remodel from top to bottom, from up to outside to every which way. And currently, I've been working on this beautiful entertainment center that's going to be our entertainment center for our man cave slash living room slash basement family room, where we are going to be watching all of our movies, video gaming it up, and everything else. And we're going to have a nice fireplace down there. But it is time to take a pause on this entertainment center. And the reason for it is because I need to finish this corner, but before I finish that corner, I have to put my insulation, all my electrical wiring, and my framing, and everything else, and drywall. And I gotta finish that wall between that window well so I can pull my wires through. And I gotta frame up the back front wall so I can pull my electrical wires through, and then all my can lighting wires to go through all this area. By doing so, I gotta move everything, my great setup, move everything due to lumber prices right now. And I have no space over there, I have no space over there to put anything, and I have no space behind me to put anything. So, and it's working on, I finally can take the time to work on one room at a time. And that's what's really nice about it. So we are going to get this room completely done, wired up, drywalled, knotty pine on the walls and ceilings, the fireplace in, the TV in, and hopefully either a bed down here for temporary to sleep, so that way the summer months aren't so hot, using an air conditioner upstairs, since that's completely unfinished, or we might be able to at least have some kind of livable space. So I'm going to be taking this off of right now so I can move everything, and then I will turn it back on so that way you can see me framing up some more walls, and then we're going to be pulling wires and setting up the lighting and everything else. Thank you for watching also. Here we go. I got it. I just figured it out. So the way, this is not a unuseful informational video today, and you're like, Beast, I'm gonna dislike this home renovation channel of yours, home improvement channel. I figured if you stayed this long and you actually clicked on and watched this, let's give you a helpful tip. Liquid nail now is a very good high strength adhesive product, alright? You can use it to pump out a lot of liquid nail. I mean, pumping it out, pumping it out, pumping it and pumping it and pumping it till she's all gone. That's right. Pump that liquid nail into every area that you can to make sure you have a nice strong bond of liquid nail pumped in to the right spaces. Don't mess around with that silicone stuff. Don't mess around with that silicone caulking. Just get yourself some high strength liquid nail, heavy duty, and pump that in there. Woo, like you know what I'm talking about. Have yourselves a great day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you feel like it, hit that dislike button, but you might not be able to see this video again if you hit that dislike button. And if you're crazy enough, share it. Share it to your friends, my friends. Tomorrow, I'm going to be setting up the laser level. That's right. And we are going to be focusing on framing up some more basement walls. I am very, very excited. I got my chop saw table already. That's right, chop saw, because we're going to make some food. That's right, food. No. Got it all set up to cut up some boards. So it's my cut up table. I use my sawhorses. I have some 2x6s laying on there. I got one of my flooring planks that I use to, when I put on up my scaffolding outside or whatever, or inside, I just jump up on that. But I like those sawhorses that I built, right? I mean, they look old and weathered because they are old and weathered. They've been inside, outside, everywhere. That's why. But right now, they're in my basement while I frame up this beautiful man cave of a basement. That's right. Don't let her know that it's a man cave. Woo! Have yourselves a great day. Check it out tomorrow. We're going to be framing up walls. All behind here. That's right. All behind here. And I might just do some fun, I don't know, some fun kicking it up.